Hi everyone, happy National Australia Tree Day from Kedron Brook in Brisbane. Today I'm going to take you for a little tour of some of my favourite trees in this watercourse. Maybe not necessarily the prettiest, but definitely having a great impact and in terms of habitat as well as bank stabilisation. And this was particularly important with the recent floods that occurred in 2022. So yeah, let's take a ride. Now, I haven't had to travel too far to find one of my all-time favourite watercourse trees, which is the sandpaper fig, which is one of the ficus species. This plant is fantastic for stabilising banks and is also an important food tree for caterpillars of many butterfly species. So here I have another one of my favourite watercourse trees, which is Waterhousea floribunda. This tree is very important for bank stabilisation and providing a good microclimate for watercourses, and today it's also hosting a colony of grey-headed flying fox. Grey-headed flying foxes play an important role in long-range dispersal of seeds as well as pollen, and ultimately keeping our forests healthy. So a little bit further downstream we have Hibiscus tenacious, or the cotton tree, and as you can see it's providing fantastic bank stabilisation as well as habitat for our water birds. So I didn't want to miss this opportunity to give a shout out to our dead trees and stags and the important habitat that they provide for our native wildlife, and I'm really hoping that you can see the sulphur crested behind me, and probably likely not, but there's also a beehive there. So I'm finishing my journey here today at the downstream limit of Kedron Brook, and again with another amazing tree species, which is the mangrove, and in particular the grey mangrove, which is identified by these nematopores, which help it to exchange oxygen. I literally don't know where to start at how important these trees are. They provide habitat for literally thousands of species, both underwater as well as above ground. They also protect our terrestrial environment during floods and storms, and they also capture silt and pollutants to prevent it from ending up in our oceans. Happy National Tree Day, everyone. Seriously, things my bosses make me do. The conditions.